Think you know everything about engine oil? Think again. From when to change it to whether synthetic oil is a scam, there's a ton of misinformation out there. In this video, we're uncovering 10 of the most common engine oil myths that might be draining your wallet, or worse, damaging your car. Stick around, because what you don't know about engine oil might surprise you. Let's get started. Myth number 1, dark oil means it's bad. First up, the classic myth. Dark oil means it's time for a change. Nope. Oil naturally darkens as it picks up dirt, soot, and other contaminants while keeping your engine clean. Think of it as your oil doing its job. A darker color doesn't necessarily mean it's ineffective. What really matters is the oil's viscosity and how long it's been in use. If you're unsure, check your oil's consistency on the dipstick or send a sample for analysis. Don't judge oil by its color. Judge it by its performance. Myth number 2. Change your oil every 3,000 miles. Many drivers religiously change their oil at 3,000 miles, believing this keeps their engine in peak condition. This outdated rule comes from older cars and oils. Modern synthetic oils and advanced engine technologies allow oil to last 5,000 to 15,000 miles before needing a change. By sticking to the manufacturer's recommended interval, you save money, reduce waste, and still protect your engine. Myth number 3. Synthetic oil causes leaks. Here's one that scares a lot of drivers. Synthetic oil will cause your engine to leak. This was partially true decades ago, because early synthetic oils didn't always work well with certain seals. But today's synthetic oils are engineered to be completely safe, and even better for your engine than conventional oil. If your car leaks after switching to synthetic oil, it's probably because of pre-existing issues with worn gaskets or seals. The oil didn't cause the problem, it just revealed it. If you find these tips helpful, then subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks. Let's move to the next famous myth. Myth number 4. Switching oil brands will damage your engine. Thinking about trying a new oil brand? Don't worry, your engine won't explode. As long as the oil meets your car manufacturer's specifications, you're good to go. The key is looking for the right certifications like API or ACEA ratings. Mixing or switching brands won't harm your engine because the additives in modern oils are designed to be compatible. So, feel free to try different brands until you find your favorite. Myth number 5. Thicker oil is better for old engines. Using oil that's too thick can reduce lubrication in your engine's tight spaces, especially during cold starts. Thicker oil can also increase drag, reducing fuel efficiency. Modern oils are designed to protect all engines, regardless of age, so always stick to the viscosity recommended by your car manufacturer. If your older engine needs extra care, look into high-mileage oils that are formulated for aging seals and components. Myth number 6. Overfilled engine oil is fine. Here's a sneaky one. It's okay if you slightly overfill your engine oil. But let me tell you, overfilling your engine oil can be just as harmful as having too little. When there's too much oil, it can get whipped into foam by the moving parts inside your engine. This foamy oil loses its ability to lubricate properly, causing overheating and increased wear. So, what's the fix? Always stick to the recommended oil level. Use the dipstick as your guide. Too much or too little is a recipe for trouble. If you accidentally overfill, drain the excess immediately. Myth number 7. Oil filters don't need to be changed often. Often. Think you can skip changing the oil filter? Think again. The oil filter traps dirt and debris that can harm your engine. Over time, it clogs and can't do its job. A clogged filter reduces oil flow and can lead to engine damage. Always replace the filter with every oil change. It's a small cost for big protection. Myth number 8. Additives and treatments will make your oil better. High-quality oils are already packed with carefully balanced additives, like detergents and anti-wear agents. Adding more can disrupt this balance, potentially causing issues like sludge buildup. Unless a specific problem, like engine knocking, calls for an additive, stick with the oil your car was designed to use. Your engine doesn't need a chemical cocktail. It just needs the right oil. Myth number 9. Synthetic oil is only for high-performance cars. Think synthetic oil is just for race cars? Think again. Synthetic oil isn't just for high-performance engines, it's a great choice for everyday cars too. Why? It offers better protection against extreme temperatures, resists breakdown, and lasts longer than conventional oil. So whether you're driving a sports car or a family minivan, synthetic oil can keep your engine running smoothly. Plus, it's ideal for vehicles exposed to extreme heat, cold, or heavy loads. Your car may not be a race car, but it deserves the best care. Myth number 10. Once you switch to synthetic, you can't go back. This myth has been floating around for years, but here's the truth. Your engine doesn't care whether the oil is synthetic or conventional, as long as it meets the manufacturer's specifications. Synthetic and conventional oils can even be mixed without harming your engine. The only difference between them is how they're made. Switching back and forth won't harm your engine at all. Just remember, synthetic oil generally offers better protection, so switching back might feel like a downgrade. But it's your call, and that's a wrap. Did any of these myths catch you off guard? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car care tips. See you in the next one.